Okay, we are on the Chapter 13 final project for week 3. The day is Monday, December 14th, 2026. Number 1 is wrote check number 114 to Betty's Cleaning Service for office cleaning for $75, and it says repairs and maintenance. So we will go to new and then check because it says we wrote a check. And it comes up with check number 114 or 10014. The payee is Betty's Cleaning Service, and Betty's Cleaning Service is a new payee. So we'll add to new, and then we'll click save. The payment date is December 14th, 2026. The category is the repairs and maintenance at the end of the number 1. Description is for office cleaning, and it said the amount was for $75. And that will be all for the writing of the check. So we will click save and close. And then the next one is received a bill from City Waterworks for $29.88 for water use from December 1 to December 9, and it says utilities. So for this, we received a bill, so we'll click on new, and then we'll go to bill. And the bill is from City Waterworks. So City Waterworks, and the bill date is 12/14/2026. Does not say what the terms are, so we'll just leave that blank. It could be 15, net 15, or it could be due on receipt. But we'll just leave it blank for now. The category will be for utilities. The amount is $29.88. The description we'll put is water use. And then we will click on save and new. And the next one, it says we received a bill from District Waste Management for $25 for trash pickup for December 1 to December 9. And that's also utilities. So the vendor will be the District Waste Management. Bill date is December 14th, 2026. The product or service category is utilities. The description is for trash pickup, and the amount for that was $25. So then after that, we can click on save and close. And then the next one is the local high school had a car wash fundraiser. Rain Cross donated 5 packs of dry towels and 5 packs of wash mitts. So create an inventory adjustment to reduce the inventory, and remember to change the account from inventory adjustment to contributions to charities. So this is a inventory adjustment, so we'll click on new, and under the other column, go down to inventory quantity adjustment. And the adjustment date is 12/14/2026. And it said to change the account from inventory adjustment, so it's also inventory shrinkage. Change that from inventory shrinkage or inventory adjustment to contribution to charities. The products that they donated was dry towels. They donated 5 of those. So the 14, let's see here. So the change in quantity will be 5. No, actually not. So the new quantity, so the quantity on hand was originally 14 minus 5. So we want new quantity to be 9. The next one will be the wash mitts, and the quantity on hand. Wonder why. Okay, so the quantity on hand is 14. We want the new quantity to be 9. For the dry towels, the wash mitts, the quantity right now is 17, and it says they also donated 5 of those, so the new quantity will be 12. Okay, so change the inventory adjustment account to contributions to charities. The dry towels and the wash mitts, they both donated 5 of each. So the quantity on hand minus what they donated to get the new quantity. And after that, we'll click on Save and Close. Also, you could go into the change in quantity, and if you had a +5, it would change the new quantity to 22. But if you have a -5, say since you're taken away, it'll change the new quantity there too. So then you don't have to do the math for the new quantity, but that's 2 ways to doing it. So then click on Save and Close. The next one is sold a full exterior detailing service package for a large SUV to Dan Thomas on account. So that'll be an invoice since it's on an account. So click on New, Invoice. Customer is Dan Thomas. The invoice date's 12/14/2026. The service was for a full exterior detailing service package for a large car. And it was just one of those. And then you can click on Save and Close. And next one's received check number 8811 from Mike McCullough for invoice number 26-115. This will be a received payment, so click on New, go to Receive Payment under the Customers column. And the customer that we received the payment from was Mike McCullough. The payment method was with a check. The check number was 8811. And this goes in the deposit to, goes in the deposit to, payments to deposit. And they said it was for invoice number 26-115, and that's the invoice that we have. So then we can click on Save and Close. And then it says purchase general office supplies from Office Superstore with Visa card, and the amount is $87.40. So this will be an expense, so click on New, Expense, Payee, it's Office Superstore is the vendor, purchase with the Visa card, payment method, credit card, payment dates 12/14/2026. purchased office supplies. This is already pre-filled from the last purchase. So we can leave the category at supplies because we purchased office supplies, and the description can stay the same, but the amount we will change to $87.40. And then after that, we will click on Save and Close. And now it's created purchase order to GLJ Car Detail Supplies for 10 gallons of Jack Superior Exterior Car Wash Cleaner at $13.99 a gallon and 5 water hoses at $17.99 each. So we'll click on New, and then we'll go under the vendors column to purchase order, and the vendor will be the GLJ Car Detail Supplies. Purchase order date will be 12/14/2026. And this information is pre-filled from the last time, so we can change that. We will not need either of these, so we can delete them both. And then we will enter in the Jack's Superior Car Wash Cleaner, and the quantity that we wanted was 10, and the rate for the car wash cleaner is $13.99. The next one is for water hoses, and the quantity for that is 5, and the rate is $17.99 each. And so that is the only two things that we have for that. So then we'll click Save and Close. And then there was an invoice for Pam Swanson for 2 hand wash with interior services and 1 full interior exterior detailing for a large car. So click on New, then Invoice, Pam Swanson. It's a customer. Invoice dates 12/14/2026. It's 2 hand wash with interior. There was 2 of those. The rate 5. The next one, let's see here, also a full interior exterior detailing for a large car, and it was just 1 of those. And that will be that amount. So we'll click Save and Close. And that is all for Monday, December 14th, 2026.